Alright guys, we are looking to do furnace, possible full system. Got a high efficiency 2-pipe 3-inch PVC running right over my head here on the furnace. Line set's also following it out right there. The furnace got a 4-ton blower, it's 88,000 BTUs, 4-ton coil. Furnace looks to be from '03. I believe the coil is from 2013. Drains just right in front of the unit here. It turns an 11 by 25 with 11.5 inches between the side of the furnace and the return. But if we need to move that over, we can. Looks like maybe it was scooted over just due to the PVC here, is my guess. But if we wanted to redirect that way we could scoot that return over a bit, we can. Old humidifier on the back. It is a walkout, by the way. C-width on both furnace and coil.